This is a 100 kVA spot cum projection welder. It has got two tables for sliding the job from left to right, right to left. Then we have here FRL. Here you have to connect the air inlet. Then this is the air pressure gauge. That one is the air pressure adjuster on top. The air pressure adjuster. And at the bottom we have air filter. And at the bottom we have a drain knob. Then this right side is the air regulator. Another lubricator. This is a solenoid valve. That is a pump on-off switch. This over here, air cylinder. And then we have aluminum copper electrode for spot welding. This side we have a microcontroller for adjusting the parameters for spot welding. Here you have to connect 85 psi air. This is an air pressure adjuster. You can vary the pressure depending upon the thickness of the job. That will be mentioned in the manual. You can adjust for different thicknesses, different pressures on this gauge. After adjusting the pressure, you can just press the cap down so the air pressure is locked there. Microcontroller for setting the parameters for welding. First switch on the controller, then go to schedule, press the schedule, then adjust the for schedule number 1 the parameters like that, then lock that, go to program. You can set the parameters for welding 1 mm thick sheets. So you adjust the weld screw time to 40, then rest are 0. When you come to W2, the weld cycle should be about 10, like that you adjust. Then the heat percentage should be about 40, just like that. Then next go to forge, keep about 15 cycles, like that. Enter, keep off time as the 1 cycle. Now the parameters are set for thickness up to 1 mm. Now you can go to weld over switch. You can put it on the weld side for welding. Then you can start welding. We will show you how to do the welding. Now you can go to schedule number 2 by pressing schedule. Go to say for 2 mm thickness. Schedule number 2. We go to program again and set the setting accordingly as we did earlier. Squeeze time 40. Weld time, so you keep about 15 cycles. Then energy you can keep about 50%. The rest all will be same. And accordingly you can set different schedules for different thicknesses. You can refer the welding data in the manual and set the parameters accordingly. We will show you the welding. This C channel we want to weld, so is about 1.5 mm thick. We can just start welding. Press the foot switch, you will see the welding taking place. Want to do job faster, you can go to the repeat and then adjust the timing for repeating. We'll show you how to adjust time for repeating. So after every designated time, the cylinder will keep coming down and keep on spot welding. So keep say 10 cycles for repeating or 12 cycle, whatever you can manage. Then close this and then you can start welding and we'll see that repeating takes faster. Show you the repeat operation how it takes faster. This is how you can do the job faster. The welding of 2 mm plus 2 mm sheet thickness by going to the schedule number 2. Now see the welding. Going from schedule 2 to schedule 3, again press the schedule, enter the button for plus, then shut the schedule. The schedule 3 is selected for different welding of 3 plus 3 mm thick sheets. Show you the welding of 3 plus 3 mm thick sheets. For welding 4 mm plus 4 mm thick sheets, we will go to schedule number 4, set the parameters as per the data given in the manual, and then weld 4 plus 4 mm thick sheets.